2, ready. Well, it don't come with a master plan, a grand design for how to make it pan out the way you want it to. Well, son, that's left up to you. It's a race of undetermined length that'll test your mind and test your strength, leave you feeling all alone, but always find a way to bring you home. Well, be careful not to waste it while planning how to make it, 'cause it only comes once and it don't last long. Always remember it ain't something you can hold on hold. Don't let it pass you by. Don't you be thinking you got it beat. It'll take the ground from under your feet. Just when you think you're doing alright, you find yourself on the floor. But like an open door, it presents opportunities that weren't there before. The question is, are you gonna take them and get up out that dirt? Well, be careful not to waste it while planning how to make it, 'cause it only comes once and it don't last long. Always remember it ain't something you can put on hold. Don't let it pass you by. Let it unfold. Story that's yet to be told. They say you should be looking for the one. Well, I found her once, but now she's gone. That's alright, nothing good ever lasts. Make the most of it before it's in the past. Well, I'll tell you this, you won't make it out without a bruise or two to talk about. There'll be some fights and no doubt you'll lose, but there's always worse that can happen to you. There ain't no gold to tell you you've won. Sometimes there'll be things that don't seem like fun, but every day you wake is a good day. Another chance to go out and have a say. Well, be careful not to waste it while planning how to make it, 'cause it only comes once and it don't last long. Always remember it ain't something you can put on hold. Don't let it pass you by. Let it unfold. Story that's yet to be told. You got plenty of time. You can tell it when you're old.
Of our goodbye.
There's nothing in this world that's ours. Dark ocean with a tiny flame. Somehow we're gonna find our way. All I had was you. Ooh, ooh, ooh. All I had was you. Ooh, ooh, ooh. All I had was you. There was light somewhere down the road. Hard times will not dim our souls. Our dreams will be reality. The only thing I had was everything, when all I had was you. Ooh, ooh, ooh. All I had was you. Ooh, ooh, ooh. All I had was you. All I had was you. Steady hands and steady feet, can you carry us to where we need to be? These plans, these quiet dreams, are writing out the story of you and me. Pages filled with pencil marks, and all along you had my heart and love. You're all I need. Ooh, love, you're all I need. You're all I need. Every smile and photograph, we're finding ways to make these moments last. Anytime when I'm with you, I'm captivated by the things you do. Come on, darling, moving close. I just wanna let you know that love, you're all I need. Ooh, love, you're all I need. You're all I need. all I need. Love, you're all I need. Ooh, love, you're all I need. You're all I need. You're all I need. Who is this King of Glory? The artist of the skies. Your power is overwhelming.